Hi chat, welcome to another stream. How y'all doing today? It is Thursday, the 17th of 2022, and we are back for yet another stream. Did I say the month? I feel like I didn't say the month. I feel like I just said it was the 17th of 2022. That's not true. It's March. Hello. GitHub is kind of down right now, so we'll see how things go. I think we can mostly work without it. But I'm constantly watching my graphs for pre-commit CI because I keep getting paged. I keep re-triggering runs. Oh, looks like it's clean right now. Huh. Maybe it's recovered. But anyway, how y'all doing today? Let me say hi to everyone who's here. JJMC was first today. Hello. Evil Gordita, good to see you again. Drunk Time Lord is here, who just says A. Okay, all right. Cool, sounds good. Arc-like Slavic, hello, welcome back. Exonity, good to see you again. Lechosa, hello. Drunk Time Lord says we've all seen Noodle not get ready for Nood. The double-headed noodle. The cursed noodle. Torfun, welcome back. Hello. KB1337, welcome to the stream. How's it going? Pokemon fan. Yo, Anthony, what's up? I'm curious, is your job remote? Yes, it is. I remember last time I was here, a company laid everyone off. Oh yeah, that was a long time ago, Pokemon fan. That was 2 years ago. That was 2 years ago. You've been here since then. You were here like a couple weeks ago. But yes, I do remember you were there 2 years ago when I was laid off from Lyft. But yes, I currently work at Stripe for the next week, and then I will be starting at Sentry in April, which will be fun. Everybody asks, what is Python? Nobody asks, how is Python? Because Python's not a being. It is, well, yeah, exactly. Forrest says the 17th of 2022 could be February, March, or November. Thursday. Oh, I see. The Thursday, the 17th could be in 3 months. Okay, I guess that at least narrows it down a little bit. Don't you know A is a meme? I don't know that meme. Are you still in California? Nope, I'm in Michigan. Yeah. Hey, what's up, Tofufu? Hello. Welcome back. So yeah, I guess we can show you some graphs since shit's been kind of messed up. All these red dots here, I guess if we uncheck everything except for red dots, this is the number of times where pre-commit CI failed to run a run 5 times in a row. And this is right when the GitHub outage started, right here. 13:59 UTC. This is when GitHub reported it. 14:20 UTC. So I've got 23 minutes on GitHub. Go me. But it is still having trouble. But I think it's mostly cleared because my dead letter is happy, and I have to keep continuously running. Have it in here. Pre-commit CI env AWS profile equals prod python -m scripts.requeue run. So I run this script, and this re-triggers any runs that get stuck. A stuck run is something that fails 5 times in a row. So if something triggers these red dots 5 times in a row, then it ends up in a dead letter queue, and I can re-trigger them later. So I can, rescue runs that fail during an outage. I'm in Illinois. Do you still follow your pescatarian diet? Yes, I do. What do you prefer as buffer values? OX 3131313 or 414 I don't know why either of those matter. Breaking news: local auto updater DDoSes GitHub. Well, auto update's on Monday, so today is Thursday. It is not Monday. Also, I'm pretty sure they can survive a little teeny tiny app like me. Is this your parents' house? No, this is an apartment. I make too much money to live with my parents. Uh, also, my parents are divorced, so it wouldn't really work, you know. But anyway, what are we doing today? Yeah, so we were working on Babi last time. We got this neat little thing working, but it's not going to work for our use cases, which is a thing that uses a select loop to allow you to interrupt a long-running process. We're going to be using this for the linter. But select loops don't work on Windows unless they are network select loops. There isn't really file descriptors. I mean, there are, but there aren't. And I don't think there's an equivalent of select on Windows. I'm pretty sure all these are like, you shouldn't use select, you should use something else, like a thread and blah blah blah. Use G events. Nope. Write it to a socket. Nope. So we're not gonna do that. But I thought of another idea right after I stopped stream yesterday, which is to just re-enable keypad mode, or C-break mode, or whatever the fuck it's called. So instead of doing this, you would do standard scr.cbreak, and this turns Control C back on, and so then you can do keyboard interrupt. And then we want to go back into raw mode finally. I think this will work. So then we can just use check output here, or run, I guess. Yeah. Except keyboard interrupt. Oh, but we want to be able to terminate it in that case. I guess this does just terminate it, right? Is that how subprocess.run works? If it gets a keyboard interrupt, it'll stop itself? I don't know. We will find out. How will we find out? Bash-c sleep 50. Probably doesn't kill it very gracefully though. Sleep 50. And then we Control C. So we have a zombie. No, okay. I guess it terminates it. I don't know how that works. 10, 20. Keyboard interrupt. Here we go. See int wait seconds. So it does send it to the process as well? See if we get two keyword interrupts here. Import time.sleep 50. I think this one is from here. Yeah, so it does send SIGINT to the subprocess. Okay, that's kind of what we want. I got machine learning work to do. I'll catch you later. Sounds good. Thank you for stopping by. My machine doesn't learn shit. Force it. Sonoma Bashir. Yeah. Is the machine learning a lot like natural selection instead of learning? Just create more and more generations of vaguely well-performing networks? That's I mean some type of machine learning. They're not all necessarily that way. Okay, but I think I can use keyboard interrupt here, and I don't need to actually terminate it because it looks like it waits for. I mean, maybe if it doesn't. What happens if we do this? Try sleep 50. Fuck. So it ignored the keyboard interrupt. What happened to the process though? But it did receive it. It is zombified. Well, that doesn't seem right. That doesn't seem right. That doesn't seem right. What's up with that? Hey, what's up, Fixer Jake? Hello, hello. What? I'm zombified as well. How you doing, JB Pratt? Welcome back. Yeah, that doesn't seem right. I guess we can try our own thing with this. Dash C frog. Oh, we don't actually have output in error in here, but we will capture it in our actual implementation. Why is it sending Control C to this process? That's not what I want. I mean, maybe that's fine. Hmm. 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 The timeout argument is passed to communicate. If the timeout expires, the child will be killed and waited for. Okay. Hmm. Hmm. Yeah, like I don't want a zombified process. It looks like popen will at least forward the keyboard interrupt signal to the underlying process. But we will want to kill the process. And actually, we have a popen object here. Rather than so process.run. So we'll be dealing with communicate here. So I think this is the equivalent to our weird loop. Thing. We control C, we get terminated. If we let it run, we should get done. Okay. Okay. That seems fine. That seems doable. That seems simple. Probably works on Windows. God, if this doesn't work on Windows, I don't know what the fuck we're gonna do. other than threading nonsense. Which I don't want to do. Timberpedic. Thank you for the follow. Welcome, welcome. Oh, there's no control end on Windows, right? Okay, so if we control C. Uh. 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 Hmm. Also, I just realized I have my notifications open. Zachary Bar, thank you for the follow. Welcome, welcome. Hopefully you are doing well as well. Ignore Windows, problem solved. Yeah. Yeah. Hey, what's up, Elfenrod? Hello, hello. How long have you been programming? Asks Timberbeating. Is this the right video? Yeah, check out that video. I talk about all that. And Henrik Kak, welcome back. Well, that is not at all what I expected. It just kills the process, which is really weird. It sucks. Maybe it doesn't kill the process. Maybe maybe it actually does. Let's see if this does something. Might not be what's happening here. What? Why is it sending keyboard interrupt twice? uh Just doesn't make any sense. I don't know what's going on here. Ah. Oh, there is a sleep there. The sleep is happening right now, but it has torn down curses. Very strange. Okay, well, this solution's not gonna work. Damn it! Ugh. Maybe I should... Maybe just make it not interruptible on Windows. And defer this until I can actually fix the actual problem. My fresh chat, enjoy watching streams like this. Well, welcome, welcome. Smart response, check my video. I mean, that's why I make all the videos. That's why they're there. A. McNeecho says, finding this stream just blew my mind. Well, welcome, welcome. What blew your mind? Then someone writes code on Twitch? That's kind of wild, right? Obelisk, thank you for the follow. Welcome, welcome. We've been doing this for years. I'm glad you could join us. Ah, oh, that sucks. Windows, fuck you. I gotta be bullshit. Why you gotta be bullshit? Oh, it'd be so nice if this worked. I wonder if it's fixed in a newer version. This might be old. Oh, it did upgrade. Nope. Not fixed in a newer version. Did not realize people are doing software development. Yeah, it's pretty cool. I think what blows my mind is a lot of programmers I've met are very closed off about what they do and don't want people to watch them code. I mean, I just do everything in public and that's the easiest way for me. Works out fine. Yeah. Oh. Dudes. I think I'm gonna close out my incident, so give me 1 sec. This was caused by a GitHub outage. Rather than archive. Okay, cool. Thanks for writing pre-grant. Yeah, no problem. I spent a couple hours pairing with a colleague this morning. It felt a bit like streaming at some points. Yeah, I found that doing this makes me much better at pairing and interviewing and describing problems and teaching and all sorts of other stuff, which is kind of nice. Rabu, thank you for the follow. Welcome, welcome. Fucking Windows. Well, at some point I want to rewrite the curses stuff. But I don't think that's today. And thank you for the follow. I don't know how to read your name, but if you talk in chat, I can read your anglicized name. Welcome, welcome. Yeah. Bummer. Big bummer. Okay. So let's write code that would work on both platforms. Oh, that's the old one. The newer one. If sys.platform equals win32, Windows does not completely support C-break mode. I did a flex bootcamp, so I never got to do teamwork or pair programming. Interesting. So this will be how we do it on Windows, I guess. Just not be interruptible. And here we can interrupt. Or we can let it finish. Hey, what's up, Neckleric? Hello, hello. Welcome back. And Ollie, good to see you again. With just the noodle butt. Okay, so that works well there. Let's see what this does on Windows. Wait, what the fuck? Why do I call cbreak and then raw? Aren't they opposites? That might be leftover code. Well, that's not what I wanted. Okay, so Control C. What? 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 Line 29. Yeah, what the fuck? Well, that makes no sense. Oh, right. Is this Python 3.7? Can't use the nice things. Okay, I must not be setting the mode properly. What? How though? Or is calling popen fucking with the mode, maybe? Okay, so it does receive that keyboard interrupt. But then it doesn't receive the ones after it. So it's something about subprocess that fucks things up? Ugh, fucking Windows. Yeah, that's so weird. Wait, it totally it just skipped over my keyboard interrupt. Oh wait, no it... That's so weird. This is not... This is breaking the terminal mode. Somehow. Must set handlers? I don't fucking know. I guess then I can just not have linting enabled on Windows. Which is a bummer? But I don't know how to support it properly without rewriting curses, so that's fine. Just found out that Python is available as an app in Microsoft's App Store. Oh god. Yeah, the App Store Python is super cursed, Philip. Super cursed. It makes installing a new version easier. Yeah, that's the only thing that it does well. But the store Python is pretty cursed. I would recommend avoiding it personally. But not anymore. Store Python keeps getting better. No, it's still cursed. It is still cursed. Home cooked Python always tastier, says Cloud Noon. Nah, the store Python is cursed. It does like weird file system things that are always going to be cursed. You need Vim? I don't think I have Vim on Windows. Oh, I do have Vim. Look at that. Look at that. You're a developer, just install it yourself and know what your path is. Yeah. Yeah, that's what I find is the more reliable approach. This works way better for me. I don't know why I have so many versions installed. There's literally no reason for all these versions. This sucks though. But I guess that means that I can use my select loop approach, although I think this is nicer, maybe. Well, the select loop ignores all the inputs, which I think is actually better. Oh, I stalled through the whole minute. I'll use Vim a little bit for you. Yeah. That's kind of annoying. Like I can't even do this on Windows because making a popen process breaks the terminal mode. I wonder if it's making a process with bash. Is that what it is? Like what happens if I use Python instead? Hello, insert mode. It is cursed. Steve Dowers, the Windows Core dev? Yeah, I mean, he does a lot of work on it. It doesn't make it not cursed. Okay, it's bash that's fucking it up, it looks like. So why is it not retrieving this character here? What's happening here? Press a character, then it should run the process. Which just fucked my shit up. What the fuck happened here? Where's the output? What happened? Should write done high after this. What the fuck is going on? What? Yep, totally working. Alright, well, we'll just prevent Windows from linting, I guess. Krish Molly, hello, hello, welcome, welcome. Mac is free software, it comes with your Apple device. That sucks. No. Why companies still use Windows and not Linux? They would save so much money. Windows isn't that expensive. Also, they get like enterprise licenses where it's just a whole bunch of shit. Whole bunch of licenses all at once. My previous company locked my laptop once I resigned. Yeah, that's normal. Pretty normal. macOS is the worst free software available. It's so very far from free. J-Man's here. Hello, hello. Let me get started on Windows. I'm too used to Linux. I mostly just use Windows as a web browser and run a VM and cry every time Windows is fucking different for no reason. Okay, but I think that tells us our answer here. Why not WSL? Why not read the FAQ? Okay. Well, baby screen. This dot platform equals Pragma Win32 cover. Oh, I should work on the other screen. Oh, you were kidding. Okay, I see. I see. I understand. Kind of annoying. Okay, but at least now we know how we're gonna do this. Command is not none? I think this does anything. Oh, we wrote this code before and then it got deleted. Okay. If we get through the loop and none of them are successful, then we do this. So if we do babi linters startup pi and we put just wat in here. Now we do this and do Control T. And we spell things correctly. Cool. Don't do it, Drunk Time Lord. We don't need the fucking Vaporeon copy pasta. What does returning nothing do here? It stops the rest of the function from running. So it stops this from happening. Miguel, welcome. Also, Worcester, welcome back. Good to see you. I'm from Spain. Well, welcome to the stream. Ormus, welcome back. Hello. So now we need to do Or should I do my select loop? The select loop's kind of nice for other reasons. Hello? How did I... What? What happened there? That was weird. That was weird. It's coming along a little bit. My Spanish is very limited. Yeah, same. Same. My Spanish is limited to food. I know a little bit more than that. Okay, do we want to do this select loop or do we want to do... Or do we want to do... the, not select loop? I think this has the nice side effect in that it consumes all the characters. I think we're gonna do this. Yeah. Halil Sam says, hello from Amsterdam. I wish you all the best. Well, welcome, welcome. Hopefully you're doing well. Hmm. What if the process finishes before we read the output? I think we probably need one more os.read this down here, maybe. If you read from a file that's done. Oh no. See what it does. Okay, that seems to be fine. Yeah, we want something more graceful than terminate, but let's just do this for now. Need a few more modules here. Economics, thank you for the raid again. Welcome, welcome. Good to see you again. Let me give you a shout out so that my viewers can check you out. Welcome to the stream. My name is Anthony. I primarily work on open source Python. Today we're working on my text editor some more. We are trying to get linting working, and we are currently working on the cancelability feature to allow it to be canceled while in the middle of it. And we're close, I think. 554. Get rid of that. 558 errors. Yeah, we don't have that yet. Something like that. Okay, so we should be able to do Control C now. Cool. And neato. And if we don't Control C, we should get an error. It should crash. Oh, to do stuff. Cool. Cool. Rebase this tick, yeah. I have a massive window opposite me, and the sun is right in my eyes. I can barely see my screen at max brightness. This is not good. Well, you could put shades up. That would maybe fix your problem. Oh, okay, this feels super fragile, but wholesome thought. Hello, hello. Yeah, I'm not wearing green. I think I own like 2 things that are green. Oh, this is almost green. There's like green on the glasses there. There's that count. Oops. Yeah, I don't really own any green. I think the only things that I have I have some things that have green on them. I wouldn't call them green. Yeah. Greenhouse in the back? What? I mean, we got Bub. Bub's green. That's close enough, right? Welcome to the stream, Pidata. Hello, hello. Okay, this seems to kind of work. I don't think C-Break does anything though. I think C-Break and Raw are opposites. C-Break. Rare mode. PTY line buffering is turned off. Characters are available to be read one by one. However, unlike raw mode, calling raw then C-Break leaves the terminal in C-Break mode. Yeah, I think this does nothing. Just because I am curious. I can hear it, but I don't remember the title of the song. But welcome, Beldathis. How you doing? Can't you see the faces melting as the sun rains from their eyes? Go ahead and keep your head with the hearts that you left behind. Watch yourself. Look in the mirror. Can't you see the... Fuck, what is the song called? You're gonna have to tell me what the song is, Beldatis. Poison! Yes, yes, yes. Yes, that's from the part of the song that it's a little weird. It's a little different. A little fun. But welcome back, Baldothis. Good to see you. Wolf there says, is Python language? What? I mean, we are writing Python. Is it a language? Yes, it is, indeed. Madflash says, can you have self-referential things in Python classes? You can. Oh, Citrus is here. How you doing, Citrus? Welcome back. Good to see you again. You came in right at the right time. But yeah, you can have self-referential things. Do I have any in this? I have any here. I think I do. No, I have recursive things. I don't have any self-referential. But yeah, you can reference self. It's just a variable. You can pass it around. Box of Ninjas. Hello. What a great time to join in. Seeing Anthony Writes Code rock out. Yeah, exactly. Lurkin, to meet a new deadline. A new deadline? Didn't you just meet your deadline? Now you've got a brand new one. But thanks for the lurk. Thanks for stopping by. But it says back to work. Have a nice stream. Yeah. Hey, what's up, Chica Codes? Hello. Oh, I did say yes. I did promise this. So I was actually hanging out with my brother yesterday. And when we were kids, we had this silly Pokemon version of Rihanna's Disturbia, and it really, I mean, it needs both of us to do it because the beat goes through the whole song. But I did promise that I would sing our terrible Pokemon version of Disturbia. My brother and I did do it yesterday too, because but the we need a few Pokemon for this. So we need Beldum and we need Bidoof to be part of our we also need Staravia. And we need Wurmple. And those are our 4 songs. And if I had a looper, it would be better. But I don't have a looper, so you're just gonna have to imagine that both parts mesh together. But there's a beat in Rihanna's Disturbia that we have replaced with Beldum Bidoof, Beldum Bidoof bum, Beldum Bidoof, Beldum Bidoof bum. And so you just gotta imagine that's playing out and on repeat. And then the Disturbia part is instead Staravia, Wurmple, Staravia, and just, yeah, that's our terrible song. I can already hear it in my head. Exactly. It's so good, right? But I didn't have any context. I just my brother and I were talking. I was like, wait. And I just said Beldum Bidoof, and he goes, Staravia! But yes, that is our Disturbia cover, as promised. How many babbies sing the poker rap? I don't actually know the I don't know the words. Beautiful, I now have the strength to finish this new project. Well, I'm glad I could imbue that upon you via 4 simple Pokemon, but but yes, there's our song. Okay, I wanted to see if I comment this out if things still work. I know the fake tests will work. Bring back the duo. You want to get me and my brother on here and we'll sing the song for reals? I could probably just get a looper and then then it would be better that way. Okay, we gotta run all the tests though. But yeah, I could get one of those fancy microphone looper, whatever the fucks they are. I don't have one though. A live performance, yeah. Why don't you just sing the first half and get a clip of it? Yeah, that's what I mean. That would be what I would do with a looper. I guess I could do it with just Twitch clips if Twitch clips loop well enough. But then I have to fuck with my audio settings because I don't record desktop audio because I get demonetized all the time. Okay, it seems like cbreak does nothing, so I can just remove that line. I wonder if that fixes the other problem we were having. That explains why there's no music in the VODs? Yeah. Yep, there's no music in the VODs because I don't record audio. It also means that when I mean to record audio, I always forget to turn it back on. So, like I didn't upload the Minecraft VOD, for instance, because I forgot to record audio, so it's just me talking to myself. You don't hear David at all. But if I do that again, maybe I'll upload the VOD if I remember to turn on the audio. Windows tab complete? God, Windows tab complete is so bad. I don't know why it works that way. It's the worst. Now I got the poison stuck in my head, Beldot. That's why you gotta do me like this. Okay. So yeah, that does nothing. Which we're gonna split out into a separate PR because it is unrelated to this branch. That's gonna fit linting, isn't it? None of optional IO stir has no attribute file number. Oh, this is. Because MyPy doesn't know. MyPy doesn't know. Do these in the opposite order. How does tab complete even work? Something has to be executed on tab. Can Python do this for args with argparser click? Yeah, that's a good question. So the way it kind of works in Bash is it runs these completer functions. So I can show you an example of one that I did. So it runs these completer functions. This comes from this bash completion thing. So bash completion finds a particular completion function, and then that runs. I don't actually know how it works on Windows. I don't think it's pluggable on Windows. But in Bash, it's pluggable via functions. And so this is all repos completion. So if I, although it's a little bit fiddly. If I put this into these directories, oops, let's just cat this. If I make dir -p, what? How's it supposed to work? Anyway, the answer is I don't remember how they work exactly. But there is a function that completion engine calls. PowerShell has register argument completer. Yes, indeed. You can kind of make it work for Python. The problem is Python startup is so slow that it makes tab completion suck. So you kind of want Python to serialize out static completions and then use those to make that work. Because dealing with like 100 milliseconds of lag when you press tab sucks. I mean, it's doable. It's not great though. What are you mad about? No return value expected. Oh, it's because it returns canceled. Yeah. No C break. Okay, this line does nothing. Means I can remove it from here. Cannot wrap the next one though. Docker post tab completion is hella slow. It's probably Python start plus parsing YAML. Yeah, exactly. Now you understand why it sucks to call Python incompletions. But I have patch that potentially makes it 20 milliseconds faster once Gabberbanat is back from vacation. Zenzeus, thank you for the follow. Welcome, welcome. Hopefully you're doing well. Use C break. It's not needed since we use raw mode. Hey, what's up, Ethan Typing? Good to see you again. Welcome back. Welcome back. I'm here to see the code being written. While we're doing some code deletion right now. Does that count? Let's see how fucked GitHub is still. Maybe they've cleared? Oh, they are green. Okay, well. That's good, I guess. Negative code writing is the best code writing? Exactly. I deleted more code at the first 2 jobs? 3 jobs. 3 jobs? 2 jobs. I don't know if I was net negative at Lyft because I wasn't able to get my final stats because I didn't leave on my own accord. But I was super net negative in my first job. I was minus like 11,000 or something. And I was minus like 200,000 at Yelp. Which is impressive over like 5 years that I was that negative, but yeah. I believe it requires the fish shell. What? No, you can have tab completion in anything. Your companies have stats like that? Well, I just queried Git. Yeah, Yelp, I had the most PRs of anyone ever, and I was net negative, which are 2 pretty cool accomplishments. Oh, it requires the fish shell to write code. Okay. I understand now. Software engineer, the only job where being super negative is a good thing. Indeed. Demolition's probably good to be negative. These tests take a while. Oh, they're almost done. We're at around 69%. Okay. Why is there resize term and resize term? That's not confusing. Not confusing at all. Chandler says, one of my first summer internships I remember replacing approximately 3,000 lines with a 40 to 50 line function. Good times. Nice. Nice. Yeah, I deleted an entire website when I was an intern at Yelp. There used to be this website called light.yelp.com, which was used on old Java browser phones that like didn't have JavaScript and were just like plain text. Like old feature phones would use the light site of Yelp. And we killed it right around the time of a hackathon, or at least the idea came up during a hackathon. And I just like burned into everyone's brains, let's kill the light site. Let's kill the light site. And eventually I got to kill the light site. But yeah. Hey. Do you know who added these 4 functions to Python? Hit me. The only good diff is a red diff? Exactly. Exactly. I don't think I can track that at my job. It's all converting and upgrading code. Well, you just run all your patches and look at the plus and minus. Not that hard. Did you rebuild the main one to function for browsers earlier using the light one? No. We realized that like 5 people were using the light site and we just were like, fuck you. You don't need that. Would you say you had a good time at Yelp besides being underpaid? Yeah. And towards the end it was a little frustrating. And that's kind of why I just pieced. But yeah, I was super underpaid. I would have had a less good time if I realized just how underpaid I was. But there weren't really resources to figure that out back then. Oreobite says Python isn't a compiled language. It is compiled. So your first part of your assertion is wrong, but we'll continue. There are some tools that allow you to compile to a static binary. Is there any way to cross-compile? Cross-compiling is a nightmare on basically every language. It only really works in Go because there's not heavy runtime optimization in Go because it's already so low level. But cross-compiling is just kind of a pain in the ass. But yeah, in theory, if you can write a compiler, you can write a cross-compiler. Has anyone done that? Not really. Go also ships their own libc. Yeah, that also makes it a little bit easier. But yeah, in theory, what you mean by compiled, you mean is converted to machine code or a low-level VM, which Python has a high-level VM that it is compiled to. But yeah, in theory, anything that could make a binary could make a cross-compiled binary. But you're almost always going to be better to use a native compiler anyway. It's a for LC. Hello, hello. Dropping support like that is refreshing. Yeah. Super refreshing. Okay, this worked well. Compiled in the sense that you don't need to have Python installed on the next system. That's not what compiled means, but sure, you can use that word, I guess. Usually useful to be precise in what you're talking about. But yeah, there are tools to bundle Python, is what you're if you're asking that. Or embed Python is, I guess, the word that it tends to use. Okay. The cross embedding is it's possible. I think you're probably solving problems that don't really exist, though. Oh, I can't wait to move and not have neighbors. They are rolling something across the floor and back. I don't know why. I still want to try Nuika. Yeah, Nuika is pretty cool. I can compile Java and yet it still needs the JRE to run my jars. Shake my head. Yeah, exactly. Exactly. Okay. What were we doing? Skip on Windows. I should work on the other screen. Okay. If it's not saved, it's an error. Need to save. Yep. Okay. Figure out what linter to run. We pull. Oh, we can do this right now. I feel like I will need to split this function up at some point, just for testability, not really for any reason, not for any reuse. Partially because this seems like something I should test better. Oh, and actually, this is not gonna work in my fake runner. I had small discs I need to destroy, so my girlfriend and I tore them apart because looking at the platters and playing with the magnets always fun. Oh my god, I love doing that. The magnets are so good. She really enjoyed the pain I suffered when she scratched the discs, even though that is what we're there to do. Yeah. I have a drive that I'm supposed to wipe and destroy that I haven't done yet. Oh, that reminds me. Are there like, surely there's like USB super speed to serial ATA. I don't really want to take apart my computer to plug things in there. Fingerprints on hard drive platters is so wrong. Yeah. 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 True. Nekanum Kumruma. Definitely said that wrong. Welcome to the stream. How you doing? Nikono Kuruma. I don't know. Probably an SSD dock you can get for cheap on Amazon. Yeah, this isn't an SSD though, it's spinning media. But yeah, you're right, I can probably get one of those. Probably. Oh, this isn't gonna work. Because we fake this value. Yeah, I don't know how that's gonna get tested. Cheap external hard drive housing gets the job done. Yeah, that's probably what I would do. I just used the board that I got out of a shucked external drive I used for internal storage. Ah, yeah, that makes sense. That makes sense. The reloading doesn't work. Oh, because it reordered the imports too. Shit. Okay, but it kind of works. If I write this in the other way, I can probably do it without without this select loop, and then it'll be testable. Yeah, if we do the other way with the C break. But then I have to, and this code's simpler. Yeah, this code is way simpler. I think we're gonna do this instead, which means we're bringing back means we're reverting this. so what is this other pattern? Try versus.cbreak proc communicate except keyboard interrupt. So we don't really need else there. Finally, curses.raw. This will be out. We can also put it back into UTF-8 mode. Oh, we already have UTF-8 mode. We can also do let's try that. Four errors. Well, I guess so. Yeah. Okay, so that would have 4 errors. Yeah. We do this. Look at this. Okay, we don't have any. Yeah, this is way simpler. And this I'll be able to test. So I will be able to send keyboard interrupt out of this. Yeah. Yes. Goodbye, select loop. Amir says, hi, sorry if not related. Can anyone name an introductory book about testing different methods and types? I don't know of a specific book. I can recommend the PyTest book, although it doesn't really. It talks about using PyTest and different testing approaches with PyTest, but it's not specifically about testing methodology. I don't know. Joseph says, what do you think about Lua? Lua's fine if you need to write Lua. I wouldn't prefer to write Lua, but it's, you know, it does what it needs to do. It's good for, you know, a reasonably fast JITted scripting language. I don't really like, what does it have? It has one-dimensional arrays, which are kind of annoying. But what's up, Time Traveler? Welcome back. Why is this a separate command? I feel like it could have just been a lambda. Oh, maybe because this returns other type. Yeah. That's why. Okay, so what do we have right now? What have I done? I stop using that screen. All right, so we're running the linters. We can cancel the linters. We just need to reload the file. We need to handle more graceful termination. Does terminate have a wait? I think we can just use wait with insig term. Something like that. I realize you can't see it. Hmm. 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 Louis seems simple enough. Yeah, it's a simple language. Um. Cool. All right, so I guess now that we have cancelable in the output, we need to do file reloading, which is a little annoying. Trauma XIV, thank you for the follow. Welcome, welcome. What's that? 14? Trauma 14? Welcome, welcome. Type MOTD to understand recursion. How you doing, D-Dolls? You know what? We're just not going to support Unicode to code error. Once it happens, then we'll write code for it. We don't need to get everything working perfectly. Survived the dentist yesterday. Nice, nice. Good to hear. Good to hear. Okay, so we have reload functionality already. The problem is it forms these side effects that I feel like it should not. It'd be nice to know if it performed a reload and if it didn't do these statuses. I feel like think things shouldn't really have status in here. There's only 3 that do. How to represent this nicely? How to represent this nicely? Because we need to do all this logic. Unfortunately. The other interesting thing is, if the file's already up to date, it shouldn't do this reload at all. Like right now, if we do reload, just gonna say reloaded, and if we undo and redo, oops, undo, oh, I see, okay. So it replaces the lines even if they're exactly the same? Wait, what? Undo? Nothing to undo. So it realizes it's a no-op. Okay, that's cool. One plane says, A, your keyboard scares me. B, I'm lazy to look this up. Does Precommit have hooks for Bash, Zesh, as well as PowerShell? What do you mean? Precommit is just a framework. It can do anything. It can run any code. So it could do things for Bash, it could do things for Zesh, it could do things for PowerShell. It can do anything. Shell check is a popular one that you may be looking for. But yeah, Precommit doesn't really care what you run. I mean, it cares, but it also doesn't. You run Precommit as a get Precommit hook client side. Yeah, it can do anything. It's just a framework. Can Precommit clean my room? If you set it up properly, yeah. Hey, what's up, Stinks? Hello, hello. But yeah, the answer is vacuously yes. Oh, I'm out of water. Damn. Well, I'm also late for filling up my water, so I'm gonna go do that. I will be right back, and I will see you in a sec. Yeah. Hello, I'm back. Had a hard time making get select shell versus partial hooks depending on the host OS. Yeah, well, pre-commit mostly just uses Python to run things, and so it doesn't really care about what shell or terminal emulator you're using. It'll just run the things that it needs to run. It also knows how to select tools based on the file names, file extensions, file conventions as well. So it'll run whatever tools you need to run. Yeah, and it also knows how to run shebanged things. So even if you have weird shell scripts, it'll still work. Which is neat, which is nifty. Okay. Reloading. I guess we can just call reload and see if this changes. Yeah. So get hooks to select the correct shell for the host OS. Yeah. Yep. Indeed. It just works. Okay. Before equals self.file.sha256, and then we can just do self.file.reload. And then does reload change the file position? Cursor stays the same spot. Good. If after does not equal before, reloaded equals reloaded. Otherwise, let's see what we can do with that. So if we make a formatting thing and then we lint, yes. Oh, it reformatted. A little slow. Updated version. Hello. I guess it's running MyPy, which is kind of slow. But yeah, that seems to work. You can even undo and redo the reload. It's kind of nifty. It should really be called reformatted and formatted. Okay. Apt-get upgrade outdated version. Yeah, exactly. I guess all that's left, well, all that's left is to have a way to display this. Where is this state gonna live is the question. Yeah, are you missing sudo? Is that what DDoS was helping you with there? Sudo bork. Okay. Yeah, we need to make another panel thing. I think I had a drawing for this, right? How I wanted it to look. Yes. Little bar and bottom. I guess we also need to fix the pre-commit one as well. There is strike through in the terminal. Just curses doesn't support it, I guess. Ooh, and there's double underline. Fancy. VR Linux, thank you for the follow. Welcome, welcome. Hopefully you're doing well. There's blink in the terminal. Not only is there blink, there are 2 blinks in the terminal. Active sudo can tackle legacy software like building Python 2.4 over here. Yeah. Is it a marquee? I mean, you could make a marquee. You could make a marquee. Why am I doing this? I wanted. Yeah, that is what I wanted. Standard square dot add stir s, and then we want to. I don't know if this is gonna line wrap. Let's see what this does. I forgot a curly brace. Okay, that looks right. Don't mind the text being backwards. Then we need to insert characters. Yeah. I don't even need I, do I? I know, I'm spending a bunch of time on a meme. Victor's turbines got tuple. Alright, we don't need enumerate. There we go. We made my key. Does it loop? Yay! It fucking works! We have a marquee, chat! Linux says, the fact that I know people are still using Python 2 scares me. Yeah. It's outdated version to updated version? Yeah. Inklobato, thank you for the follow. Welcome. Hopefully you're doing well. Jazz Lucy has also resubbed. Oh, I forgot to say hi to VR Linux. Maybe I didn't. Maybe I did. Welcome. Jazz Lucy has resubbed at 13 months. Holy shit. Welcome back, Jazz Lucy. Good to see you again. With all of the bongos and taps. Python 2 via Rosetta 2. Oh, God. No. What a mess. Mahandi, hello. Welcome. Deckle Hunt, also good to see you again. We can also speed up the marquee. Look, it lags a little bit. Let's make it zoomy. I don't really understand why it lags, but fine. You can also make it go really slow. Can I drive fast enough to make it blurred? No, it does not. I missed the pupper picture. Oh no. Hey, what's up, the Devil Kid? Hello. We have pupper poto? That is a pupper poto. That is indeed a pupper poto. It's true. Hello chat. This is Marquis, yes. How would I make it go backwards? Nah, we don't need to make it go backwards. We don't need to make it go backwards. Inklobanta says, what does the cycle do? I use it in code without knowing what it actually does. This makes an infinite iterator out of whatever you pass into it. So it will continually give me the characters of this string, just in a loop, forever. So like if I do, if I do this and then I call next on this a bunch of times, you'll see that it gives me over and over the characters from that string. But yeah. I hate that the clip button is right next to the go theater mode. Ah, that's why you have so many empty clips. Abraham says, why are all companies asking questions about algorithms / data science during interviews? As a 1-year experienced developer, my job expectation for me to apply all those things. During this period, I didn't have time to practice algorithms and data structures. Do you think this is fair? I mean, companies don't really have good ways of filtering. Algorithms and data structures are kind of shit questions, but I think most good companies don't ask super hard things. They're mostly trying to make it, you know, something that's validates that you know what you're talking about. Can you make it bounce around the screen like the DVD logo? I probably could, but then I'd have to do some math and character collision and all sorts of other stuff. But presumably you're using some amount of critical thinking on your day job, and you know, it's really just the questions are meant to be like, do you have critical thinking? At least until you reach the null character. There's no null character. What are you talking about? This goes forever. Literally forever. I could keep doing this and never stop, and it would just keep going. Who's this rushed? Hello. Can you do closed source? I do sometimes. Sometimes I run Pregame CI. It's like gluing the head and tail of a linked list together. Yeah, kind of. It actually creates clips every time. Yeah. Yeah. Yep. 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 What do you think of Google internship interview problems? I think Google has ruined software interviewing for most companies due to their practices. Anthony is anti-math. I mean, I'll do math if I need to. I just don't really want to. But I'm pretty sure I would need it for this. I mean, I could probably get away with just doing diagonals. How would we do that? Y equals x equals 0. dy equals dx equals 1. While true, answer yxs minus 1 minus 1. Let's see, if x equals max x, then dx equals -1. If y equals max y, then dy equals -1. This will probably work. Um, we need a refresh. Hey, now we have a DVD logo. I don't think it'll ever hit the corner though. Okay, we did it. We made the DVD logo, but in the terminal. For me, it's easy to scale a reactive server in Kubernetes. Easier to scale, yeah, than solve bubble sort. Well, if you are interviewing a company that's asking you to solve bubble sort, you probably don't want to work there, to be honest. You probably don't want to work there. I gotta fix one thing about this. Yeah. Better. God, it's beautiful. I think there's one bug. I think it will crash if it ever hits the corner. Let's speed it up and see what happens. But I'm pretty sure it crashes if it ever hits the corner. The question is, well, it's only if it hits the bottom right corner. Because I'm pretty sure curses will tell me I'm out of bounds. There might be a tiny bug with this. Yeah, I was right. It hit the corner, chat. Easy fix though. Pog the corner, yeah. It also breaks if I resize the window. But yeah, now it should go forever. The DVD exploded, yeah. This is why computers exist? Yeah, just like the DVD logo. Yeah, the world implodes. It's a Sammy Wallace. Hello, hello. But we have the DVD logo. Hey, what's up, Crow? How's it going? I have to check your name because this is where math is used in programming. Yeah. Looks weird too. Looks cranky. Yeah, it's a little laggy right now because I'm refreshing too quickly. If we do this, it'll probably be better. We can also make it just clear the line that it just drew. Right now, it's clearing the whole screen every time, which is kind of wasteful. Is this the new babi feature? Yeah. What if we added this to babi? Right? Can you change the text color when it hits the corner? Yeah, we could do that. We could do that. Let's see. How do we do colors? How do we do colors? Versus dot start color. Karakaya, thank you for the follow. Welcome, welcome. Curses dot init color 1. Wait, how does this work? And Adlaha, thank you for the follow as well. RGB. Okay, so anytime it does one of these, we need to do curses dot init color 1, and then we need 3 random numbers. Work. Has to be integers between 1 and 1,000. Between 0 and 1,000? In theory? Are you inclusive? Including both endpoints, okay. Oops. Okay. Oh. Sometimes it picks colors that are unusable. There we go. It works. I should have done this with 1,000. And maybe we should do... Make it be a black background. That way... How do we initialize the background? Oh. like this. Oh, we also need how do I set background? Let me do this in Babi. BKGD. Oh, it's standard square, not BKGD. Well, that didn't work. Why is it the weird blue background? Also, I gotta figure out how to turn off the cursor too. What's with GitHub linting? What do you mean, Mohamdi? When linting fails, the text just melts off the page. Yeah. Babby screensaver? Yeah. This is actually pretty cool. Yeah. A little bit. A little bit. Hey, what's up, Scottish? Hello, hello. Standard screw is standard screw it up. Yeah. Standard screen, though. Venom Official, welcome, welcome. I don't know why the background's wrong. How do we fix the background? Oh, because it's 0, it should be 2. There we go. There we go. we have made a screensaver. Oh, we need to figure out how to turn off the cursor. At the cursor state, visibly can be 0, 1, or 2. First set. And then I think I can get rid of the move calls. There we go. Will it bounce in the corner though? Yes, it does bounce in the corner. We fixed that. Before it was crashing in the corner. Kinda nifty. Kinda stupid, but kinda nifty. Oh, I was making a DVD logo yoke? I see, I see. I see. But yeah, we've made a terrible thing. Let's make it go faster just to see what it does. It's kind of all right. It's lagging, yeah. Redrawing the whole terminal over and over is kind of slow. We could probably make it less laggy by just drawing the whole line instead of clearing the whole thing. But we would need to know the previous. I guess we could do the update first. So we get rid of this. Do this. And then that might work. This is almost better. uh. Uh. Okay. I clearly fucked something up. But I kind of like it. Why not put def recolor off the loop? I think you're allocating memory. Yeah, I think you're probably right, but it probably doesn't matter. So why did this not work? Erase from the cursor to the end of the line. Why you know? Yeah, I feel like that should work. Oh, because we have this down here. Uh-huh. There we go. It's still a little laggy. But it works at least. It's because the cursor doesn't move around? No, it's because I fucked up the math. The math was in the wrong spot. Code reader, thank you for the follow. Welcome, welcome. Hopefully you're doing well. Profile it? Well, it's almost certainly the screen redrawing, so it's kind of hard to profile it. Also, there's a sleep in the middle. We can probably avoid calling this over and over. Actually, what if we just remove that? I think it'll actually work if we just remove it, because it's the default. Yeah, we don't need that, because we set it as the only color. If the DVD ain't at 144 hertz, we don't want it. Now make it a redeemable overlay. I don't know what that would do. I don't know what that would do. It's kind of cool. A little jittery, but but we made the DVD logo. Also, this will break too. Now if it hits the bottom, boop. We kind of need to know if when the window changes size, but I don't know. Add as a time screensaver in Babi. What if you're in a hardware accelerated terminal? I mean, maybe. I think Alacrity has problems with I think do we have Kitty? We can run Kitty. It doesn't matter because there's no GPU in this in this terminal. We could run it out here. Let's see what it does in command prompt. Luck to Shara, thank you for the follow. Welcome, welcome. That didn't work. fuck you. It actually lags less here. Works on Windows. You can make it bell whenever it hits the edges. Yeah, I could. I call curses don't beep. Yeah, you wouldn't be able to hear it though, I think. It ghosts more on Windows? Yeah, it does ghost more on Windows. But maybe that's a good thing? Oh. It makes it, it gives it motion blur. So stupid. This is so stupid, but it works well. You don't turn off the settings on your new TV? Yeah. WSL2 X window conversion have frame limit? Oh, I don't know. I don't use WSL. This is the new be right back screen for the stream. Problems I'd have to start it every time. Try the Windows terminal instead of command. You mean PowerShell? Oh, you can't kill it either. I've made a mistake. We can't kill it, chat. um Oh, also usually this stops things from running, but it doesn't seem to do that here. There's the break key. Where's my break key? I don't think I have a break key. I have a pause key. That's not the break key though. Yeah, I know, Control C, of course. No shit. It doesn't work. Resize to crash it? Oh, that's a good call. It fought my resize. It just went back. It's cursed. Yeah, I know, I'm gonna have to Alt F4, but like, this is kind of funny. Yeah, I thought the resize didn't work, which is interesting. The AI is sentient. Yeah, I guess we just do this. Yeah, fuck off. Yeah, it totally works on PowerShell. Why did PowerShell turn green? Oh. PowerShell doesn't support the color changes. So it's always going to be green and blue. Also, it still has the same ghosting. Open a command within PowerShell. We can't kill this either. How do I make a new this? Yeah. Windows Terminal apparently doesn't support color change. So, yeah. Bad terminal emulator is bad. It should, but it doesn't. I agree. Alacredy works on Windows? Yeah, I don't care enough. Probably worthy of a bug report. I might be using an outdated version though. Outdated version. How do I see what version I'm using? 1.11. Someone know if this is outdated or not? That open in Firefox. Yeah, it's apparently out of date. Apparently the latest one is 1.13. How do I update? Oh, good. I don't fucking know. I also don't care. Anyway. Probably worthy of a bug report. Yeah, the color change sequence isn't supported on a lot of stuff. Updates through the Microsoft Store? Fuck that. I don't want to do that. That doesn't sound fun. That doesn't sound fun. But yeah, we made a stupid thing. Kinda cool. It's up usually high. Hello, hello. Yeah, I know you meant that one. But I guess we could see if there's already a bug report. I think the sequence is called palette change. I don't even know what this sequence is, but I have a bookmark for it. Wait. Modify screen colors, yeah. This is the... Set the screen color palettes. Escape bracket 4. There's no way GitHub search is gonna let me do this, right? I don't fucking know. Also don't care. We looked into it a little bit. Check the rendering settings. Doesn't that technically mean that retheme wouldn't work on Windows via the terminal? It means themes in general won't work. Alright, what am I checking here? Settings. Interaction, appearance, color schemes, rendering. I don't think these make a difference here. Up unknown error. Welcome, welcome. And Mr. Singh, welcome back. Anyway, okay, we made a stupid thing. Let's get back to what I was actually working on. What was I working on? I don't remember. Oh, we were gonna make an errors panel. Yeah. Yeah. How's that gonna work? People being rude on YouTube. I stopped at 8:24. He started talking about Python, never looked at the camera, and couldn't sit in his seat. He didn't seem to want to answer the question about T2I satisfactorily either. Get fucked, Larry. Just ban you from the channel. Easy. Done. YouTube comments, man. Lord dicks. Anything Joe's, hello. Yeah, looking at the camera is awkward. No one, I mean, it's not awkward. It's people don't want you to look at the camera. Looking at the camera sucks. I'm pretty sure you're gonna make the linting message marquee across the bottom of the window. No, we're not doing that. We're not doing that. That's not happening. Do it, I dare you. No, I promised Jess Lisa I wouldn't. Stare into my eyes instead of at the screen. Yeah. Yeah. Someone doesn't know anything about video production. Okay, where's my little drawing? Okay, so I need a way to render stuff. Yeah, I think this is going to be an attribute of the file. That way we can switch back and forth. Mindstormer has resubbed at 8 months. Thank you for the resub, Mindstormer. Appreciate that. Welcome back. It's been a while. Good to see you again. Be awkward. Look at me. Look at me. What are we up to? We're making linting work in Babi. I am trying to think about how I want to do this next part. Where do you live? Looks like your team's making it around to third too. Oh, is that NCAA basketball? I've not been following it all. Wow, they upset. They upset a team. Wild. Cool. Upset. I mean, they were 11th seed versus a 6th seed. That's an upset. Ish. Okay, we're gonna make another highlighter, I guess. NCAA tournament seating is weird because of auto bids. Oh, I don't know anything about seating then. So we're gonna make a new highlighter. Probably similar to the syntax highlighter. Yeah. Oh, that one's more complicated. What is interface? Oh, the interface, duh. Okay. Class lint errors. Does it include the edge? I think that defaults to false. Or do they all need to set it? Yeah, they do. I was trying to see how you typoed Nano for Babby and I couldn't figure it out. Then I realized you probably didn't have a split keyboard when you did it. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Yeah, the B and N were next to each other before, but now they are not. Now they are far away. um, what is this supposed to be? Regions is a regions mapping. Okay, we need a regions. We need these. HL and HLs. Nice. Perfect. Predict int HLs. I think we do actually want to register callbacks though. This is not right. Oh, it is right. Why is this variable called lines? It should really be called buff. Yeah, like I think we'll be able to, like basically if there was a little, imagine that's red, there was a little lint highlighter here, and I pressed enter here, it should still stay there, even though we moved it, is the idea. Linge, hello, hello, welcome. No, Linge has got the same color. Same color as always, still the same blue. Still the same. Same as your color. Details. You're saying if you had a split keyboard, we would have never had Babi. If I would have always, forever had a split keyboard, yeah, perhaps. Type delete to make anthonywritescode start from scratch? I don't think that's how that works. But HL is highlight region. Yeah. I thought it was pink yesterday? No. Linge is always blue. Always the same color as you. I don't know who was pink yesterday. I don't know who was pink yesterday. I feel like no one was pink. Okay. We need a set errors. Kind of want this to not be a tuple because I need to modify it a lot. Maybe we'll make it a list. I don't know. Babi not linting import error. I can't bet points, that's why I'm blue. Yeah. Let's just do this for now. This needs a color manager, doesn't it? Yes, it does. It does indeed. Lines buff idx int victim stir to none. Def ints callback. So the interesting thing is if we delete a line that has a lint error on it, do we just remove that error? Maybe? Oh, and this should actually probably be a list, shouldn't it? Oh, that's annoying. Kind of needs to be a dictionary, but it also kind of needs to not be a dictionary. Yeah, let's leave it as a dictionary. That makes these a little bit annoying, but not undoable. Why the default dict tuple? It's so that I don't need to populate it with all the other values. It'll just automatically get its value from this. Frank Sicano, thank you for the follow. Welcome, welcome. Akuna Matata from Kenya. Welcome back, Caribou. Caribou. Good to see you again. Could somebody tell me any Lime coder who works with Java? We don't do advertising on this channel, but I'm sure you can find one by searching around on Twitch. Haha, good luck. Technically, Anthony works with Java. Cries in Java. Cries in Java. Okay, delete callback. So we need to move down all the indexes that are greater than that. For k in, well, we can actually probably just adjust our errors. Adjust error. If error.align number is less than, or is, if we delete something, if it's greater than IDX, then return error.replace line no equals error.line no -1. Otherwise, return error. Oh, is index 0 based or 1 based? Oh no. We'll figure that out. Line numbers are gonna be 1 based. So yeah, I think we have to do -1. And this. Maybe we should just give them a property. There we go. Hey, what's up, Fireball Monkey? Hello. That face when you run a script with a 10 million line entry loop to see how random actually is, and you forget to print the output. Yeah. Yeah. I just realized you're running Babi and Babi. I guess if you're doing linting, the project is pretty far along. Yeah, we've been working on it for almost 3 years. I use it for all of my text editing. So yeah, it's a thing. We need basically the same logic for insert, but in the opposite direction. We could do some funny operator stuff. God damn it. We do this. Oh, but it's different. We don't want to delete the line there. Okay, yeah, we don't want this anyway. It's fine. I don't need this function. We can probably just inline this. Error dot replace line no equals error dot line no minus 1. If error dot line idx greater than idx, else error. Yeah. Yep. 3 years, almost. Babyception, indeed. Well, this is I use a different version of Babby to edit than the live one. Well, this is Vim right now, but yeah. So this is 131, but if I do this, it's the current slightly edited version. Has language support on Python? It works for pretty much any language. You just need to add highlighters for it. What would you say are its advantages over Vim or Emacs? Its main advantage is it's not Vim and it's not Emacs. Hey, what's up, Alicia Caponi? Hello. Welcome. I'm still here. Only streamed for 2.5 hours. Not even that long. Got him? Yeah, exactly, Oscar Allen. Professor Fate, thank you for the follow. Welcome. Okay, we need to do our insert callback. So this will be error dot replace line no equals error dot line no plus 1. Yeah, okay. Errors equals errors. Regions equals clear. We need to figure out what this does. For I guess we can just do this. We want index error dot line idx to this error or error in errors, something like that. Alessica Pony and Goof Scoof, thank you both for the follow. Welcome. Hopefully you're doing well. Where's the Irish beer? Oh, we can go get a beer. I'll go get a beer. I'll be right back. Oh, I forgot to do my Be Right Back screen. Oops. Alright. We are still drinking Le Fin du Monde. Our end of the world. I don't have green food coloring or blue food coloring, so it's not going to be green beer, but you'll just have to deal. You'll just have to deal with normal yellow beer. But it is in a nice frosted glass, so that's something at least, right? Right? Drinking it at 2 p.m. on a Thursday. What could go wrong? But cheers, chat. Wow, my overlay is super fucked. Why is it not working? That's shitty. Refresh. Streamlabs overlays have just been super fucked for me. Alright, anyway. Now it's working. But cheers, chat. This works. This still works. Hey, what's up, party? Hello, hello. Cyber Benny, good to see you. Important that you enjoy. Indeed, indeed. Okay, what were we doing? Oh, we need to add one of these to our highlighters and hook it up. How long is your break? What is delete to? Nothing. Someone's trolling. I will be off next week as well. And then I will be working the week afterwards. And then I will be off the week after that. And then I will be starting my new job on the 11th. So, yes and no. Not really American beer? No, it's not. It's Canadian beer. It's from Montreal. No stream? I'll be streaming as much as I can. When you start your next job. That's the thing that we haven't figured out yet. There may be the potential that I stream more when I start my new job. Perhaps. Which would be kind of neat. Like, imagine if I could stream my work. That'd be the dream. Babi, that's HL import dot lint errors. Import lint errors. Yeah, our redemption. I'm gonna be working at Sentry. Sentry.io. Not to be confused with Century. Sentry does error reporting and monitoring and stuff like that. And I'm going to be building their developer productivity organization, which will be pretty cool. It's continentally American. Yeah, there you go. Mirror9Cube, welcome, welcome. How you doing? Use them every day? Yeah, a lot of people use them. I'm super excited to work at Sentry. It's going to be so cool. I haven't been this hyped to work at a job ever. So you get to use Python at Sentry? I do. I won't be a Java dev. Lol. Yeah, Armin works there too. Yep. I spoke with Armin before I signed, which was nice. Ah, shit. Lint errors, import lint errors. We need to add one of these as well. That's a problem. Because reconstructing this loses its state. Hmm. Hmm. Did you say Java dev? I'm currently a Java dev due to reasons. But no, I will not be working on Java, which is good. But yeah. So welcome to the stream. Our Shink. New job won't be Java, mostly Python shop. Yeah, they're almost entirely Python. There's some Rust for some performance critical stuff. There's some front end. So there's some JavaScript in places. And then there's the framework teams, which are like 2 people per language. And then there's like 20 of those. But yeah, mostly Python, which will be great. Which will be great. Okay, this is problem. This is problem. Sentry for AppleScript win? Can't surely there's a way to make it work with AppleScript already. But like, what are you doing with AppleScript? Seems like a really good fit given the tools you work on. Yeah, exactly. Yeah, they're already using a lot of my software, which is cool too. So it'll be a very natural fit, hopefully. Do they hire for Rust? I don't know. Probably. They probably hire generically, and then I don't know. I don't know the answer. I'm not on the inside yet. I'm using AppleScript to uninstall AppleScript, but it keeps crashing. You just messaged me that you love Java. I did no such thing. That is the opposite of what's true. You rebuild something? I don't know what that means, Torfun. What are you saying? What does that mean? What do you mean? Maybe we just do. We seed this with. This guy takes my money and hasn't fixed his sub notation. Listen, Pari. It's not my fault. It's not my fault. It's either Streamlabs' fault or it's Twitch's fault. It's not my fault. Or it's your fault. Like maybe you aren't checking the little checkbox. Could be your fault. And 7RB says cat Etsy password. Alright, I'll do it for you. It really doesn't do anything. Oh man, my cat at Etsy password. I'm fucking owned. Oh no, you know that I use bin bash. Get fucking wrecked. So screwed. I just need to write an indispensable tool that they all use, and then the job is mine. Yeah, there you go. There you go. He messaged me too, but he was talking about Python on the JVM. Oh, Python is the worst. Do Etsy Shadow next. I'll just tell you my root password, alright? My root password is bad password. Bad password. There you go. That's what you wanted to know, right? Surely. Surely you just wanted to know my password. It's bad password. That's my password. Ta-da! It's 73 outside? Yeah, it's so fucking nice outside today. Oops, what did I click on? Massey! Oh no! Oh no! Oh no! You've sipped from the functional programming tube, and now now you're stuck with lambdas. But thank you for the resub at 4 months. Appreciate your continued support. It's good to see you again. Welcome back. I feel like it's been a while. I feel like I haven't seen you in a while. But welcome. Bad passwords are the best password. Bad password, mark it down. No, it's bad space password. Bad space password. Otherwise it doesn't work. But I literally only use it for this VM, and the only reason that I use it in this VM is because I stream on this, and so I don't really care that you know my root password on here. Let me know when Sentry is hiring for the data team. I know nothing, but presumably I will soon enough. Bad Foxtrot, hello. Welcome. How you doing? Yeah, so I think I need to make an alternate constructor here to make this work better. Hmm. Been writing in Rigo. Horrible. I don't know what that is. I know nothing. Why'd you say E501, Cyberbenny? Oh, because this line is too long? You're absolutely right. You are absolutely right. Thank you for being my chat linter. Appreciate it. Lint errors. Or should I do something like... self.lint errors dot clone? Really get my object-oriented programming juice going? I hate it, but it's actually what I want. So I will do it. Def clone self color manager color manager. Lint errors. Ret equals type self color manager. Ret dot set errors self dot errors. Turn ret. Oh man, if you would have spelled out the word keyboard, it might have worked. GJ. But if you do bang keyboard, you can get the answer there. Van Foxtrot says, trying to think of projects to work on. And here's what I do when I'm trying to think of a new project, which unfortunately happens to me way more often than I finish projects. I have this terrible problem of like, oh yeah, I'll just I'll work on this thing. We'll make a new thing. But when I try and think of projects, I think of things where, oh, this is annoying, or oh, this could be automated, or oh, it'd be really cool if I could just, you know, snap my fingers and make this thing happen. And then I just start trying to build it and see what happens. And about 70% of the time, I get to a place where I get something that works and I'm happy with it, and I just go with it. And then 30% of the time, it's like, oh, this is way more work than I expected, and I just never fucking finish it. Admittedly, Babi is one of these projects where I got to a critical point where I was like, yeah, there's no going back now. This is good. But in an alternate universe, I definitely could have gotten like to the point where I started syntax highlighting and been like, nah, fuck this project. I'll just be sad and use Nano and be a sad penguin forever. But yeah, some of my first projects started out as like, you know, just things that I needed, and so I wrote. I think I have this in a video where I talk about this. Actually, let's not show this on screen because we never know what's on my hard drive. Azra B, thank you for the follow. Welcome, welcome. Let's see, D backups. Some of the first code that I wrote was for... Oh, does this still work? Do I have a compiled version? Bin? Oh, I do. Oh my god, it starts too. Okay, so I have one of my first programs ever. I move you. Move. I have one of my first programs ever. Which is a dog timer. My brother and I used to have chores, and I've gone over this in the video, so there's a video for this, but my brother and I used to have chores, and one of the chores that we would have that we would trade off every week is we would take care of my parents' dogs. We would take them out, feed them, etc. And we had to take them out periodically. So I wrote this little program because I would always forget. My dad would be like, Anthony, did you take the dogs out? No, I forgot again. Anthony, take the dogs out. So I wrote this program, where it makes a little tray app, and admittedly the icon for this tray app here is just the only icon file that I had on my machine. So this is the little tray app here. Notify icon 1. Yeah. So, this is the only icon that I had, and this was a website that I made. It was an IP address website. It's kind of broken right now, and I don't own the hosting to it, so I can't fix the website, but it doesn't matter. But I made a little, tray icon here. And the idea behind this app, oh, that's the wrong screen. Fix this. Sorry for the vertigo as I wobble around my virtual machine. There we go. But the idea behind this is it was a timer app. It's just a fucking simple timer app that when I press the start button, I'm pretty sure it's going to say, Anthony, it's time to take the dogs out. I had my dad record some sound bits. No, it didn't work. But it will in like 50 minutes alert me that I need to take the dogs out. But yeah, there's just like a start and stop button. It's dead simple. It solved a problem for me. I learned a bunch of shit while I was building it. And it was just kind of a cool little project. But I don't know. That's I guess my spiel about if you want a project idea, look within. Find what is a pain in the ass for you, and then build code to solve it. Is there a MAMP too? No, Babi only went left. Babi didn't go right. But how you doing, Jaruk? It's been a while. Good to see you again. Project ideas, write project management tools, write an AI to generate project ideas. I don't think that's a good idea. Since I've been working full-time, my projects often don't even leave the idea stage anymore, which is kind of sad. Yeah, I know that feel. I know that feel. Resync says, Anthony, how is the situation with prices and economics in the US after the events in Ukraine? Really the only difference I've seen is oil companies taking advantage of gas prices. That's basically it. That's all I've really seen in terms of economic changes. And that's just oil companies being greedy, as usual. Because cost of barrel of oil is actually pretty low right now. They're just charging a lot because they can. Because they want more money. Dick says, ever considered hacking on home automation? The thing that scares me about home automation is most IoT devices don't really focus at all on security. And there's just a lot of like sketchy shit in home automation. That I'm not comfortable exposing my home to the internet. We'll put it that way. Like I don't have an Alexa device. I disabled all the smart features on my new TV. Like yeah, I don't have any listening devices. I wish I could turn off more of the listening devices on my phone, but I can't. I don't really. Definitely not porn, just contains an image of a snake in python.jpg. Yeah, right? Look within sounds a bit prophetic. That's what I was going for. Have you seen the video from Smarter Every Day where they play sound over a laser and command an Alexa with a laser? Yo. That's fucking sick. That's fucking sick. My D drive's name is porn. Nothing lewd there. Yeah, let me just look at the D and see what we got there, right? That's an article about a casino getting hacked because of an IoT fish tank thermometer? What? That's fucking insane. This is gonna block me because of ad block, almost certainly. That's actually amazing. That's crazy. But yeah, IoT, I'm just like... there's a site where you can view hacked smartphone cams. Yeah, you can also just Google like the common title bars that are for cameras and see people's misconfigured ones. I've definitely done that before. It's really neat. In theory, you only need line of sight and you can make it do things. What? That's insane. Okay. Jesus. Needing missing type parameters. Doesn't matter. Doesn't matter what the type parameter is. It could really be any. Because I have to fill it out, we'll do it anyway. We will just say stir. How does it know about all those? Color manager is not defined. Yeah, that's correct. Dict is not subscriptable. You fucking me? And the linter is not wrong. I'm just grumbly. What do you think about using 4K or 8K GV QLED or OLED as a PC monitor? I have no thoughts. Brain empty. I have no thoughts. I have no thoughts. I don't know. Do I have a brain empty emote? I have Citrus's brain empty emote. There we go. I have no thoughts. For home automation, I'm mostly stuck with Z-Wave devices. You can get USB Z-Wave receivers where there's no internet connectivity. Oh, that seems alright. That seems alright. See the concern though, definitely not secure by default. Lots of ways to fuck it up and leave your front door wide open. Yeah. Yeah. The new Alienware 34-inch ultra-wide on Samsung's QLED panel looks so nice. Interesting. Brain 404 thought not found. Exactly. Question all things. Exactly. Need annotation for error. What? On line 25? Oh, because it doesn't know that this is tuple. I don't even know how you would type annotate that. How would you know? I've never seen this error before. Nothing has no attribute yet. Curses. Curses? What do we use curses for? Oh, I guess we call the color pair there. Yeah. Roof? Alright, Babby. Type is not subscriptable. Oh, it reformatted it. Okay, that's cool. But we also need to do... We also need to set the errors. Self.file.lint errors .set errors. I think I underscored this and I should not have. Yo, let's go. It colored the lines. Okay. All right. We're getting somewhere. Hey, what's up, Sarcastic Dante? Hello. I'm thinking it should color the lines on the right-hand side, though. Stuffs too? Yeah, exactly, right? Exactly. I feel like it should color the right-hand margin. But maybe this is fine for now. I've been cautious of front door things with internet connection. At least I've connected locks to voice-based systems. That doesn't prevent any potential type of hack. The other key is always having manual non-IoT overrides for IoT devices. Oh man, I have a funny story about that. So when I was at Lyft, our kitchens had smart sinks. I don't know why you need a smart device as your sink. None of that makes sense. But I don't know. It was kind of cool because you could waggle your hand over it and not touch it, and it would turn the water on. You could waggle your hand the other way, and it would turn off the water. But when the internet went out, you couldn't get water out of the fucking sink. Just like this stupidest fallback behavior. Like, I could have just had a manual handle to turn the sink on. But no! No internet connectivity, no sink. Oh, the same with Bevy machines. Bevy is like a super popular fucking startup thing. They have these like smart water dispenser fucking machines. I don't know how this company was successful. It blows my fucking mind. Kevly, thank you for the follow. Welcome, welcome. But Bevy, same problem. No internet connectivity, no water for your employees. Ah, so fucking stupid. So fucking stupid. Oh well. Oh well. Tying anything to voice or biometrics still scares me? Yeah. J-Man says, not gonna lie, one of my favorite streamers took a couple weeks off, and now I think I like anything a little better. Welcome to the stream, J-Man. Yeah, not everything has to be automated. Exactly. We couldn't make coffee. It sucks. Smartest thing was probably to ensure people didn't accidentally leave the water slightly on after using it. This is not a problem. This is not a problem. Like, water is essentially free. Essentially. It's like, you know, pennies per 100 gallons. A little drip in the faucet's not going to be a big deal. Oh, this smart juicer startup. So, Juicebox here and I had an idea, make a shitty React channel where we just look at startup pitches. I think a lot of people would watch this, but I also feel like being a React channel is kind of shitty. We made a pilot. I don't know if I recorded it. I don't know if, or sorry, I don't know if I still have the recording. But we there's this like smart oven, the June oven. This shit's fucking hilarious. This shit's fucking hilarious. June oven. Let's see. We'll give you a little demo of what this shit looks like. June oven pitch. This is all third-party shit. I want to see the actual ones. We basically found the pitch decks for the original June ovens, or for like the June oven was the one that we did first, because it was the funniest fucking shit. And there's this like video where they're like, "You can make perfect bacon." It's Sunday, and I want perfect bacon. And I don't fucking remember, but anyway, there's a lot of dumb startups, and I feel like we could make this content, but is it React or is it commentary? I mean, it's kind of both, but at the same time, it's kind of like lazy content. I feel like React content is lazy content. But Anthony searches YouTube on stream. YouTube has decent filtering. I feel like anything that I could search on YouTube is fairly safe for Twitch. Fairly safe. Hey, what's up, Indie Monkey? Hello, hello. But yeah, Juicero, we also looked at that one too. where they delivered these like pre-juiced packages. Somehow raised 100. Man, this just makes me sad. I feel like I make productive software for people, and yet they got $120 million for a thing that literally just shits out pre-juiced juices in bags. Although I did have a friend work at Tivana, another one of these hilarious startups, where it's literally just like a $2,000 tea making machine. But I feel like most of these are designed by marketers and not by engineers. But someone's gotta be like, yeah, you know, the market really needs a $2,000 fucking tea making device. Like, no, we've had kettles for thousands of years and they work fine. And if you don't want, you know, you don't want to manually stick a kettle on your thing, we have water heating devices that you can set the temperature and they just work. And they're like $15 on Amazon. Yeah, $2,000 for making hot water and putting tea in it. Exactly. It's crazy. It's crazy what people will pay for. But people will pay for it. I guess that's the thing. Okay, what I want to test here is oh, that didn't work. That didn't work. That works. Why doesn't this work? Off by 1, maybe? Yeah, it's off by 1. Fuck! Why are you off by 1? Shit. Oh well. Okay. Oh, it should be greater than or equal to for insert. Yeah, okay. Maybe this isn't so bad. babi HL enters insert. This needs to be greater than or equal to. Lint. Problem. Fuck. Okay, that works now, but this doesn't work. Fuck. I hate just adding -1s in places, but I think this is right. That one's off by 1 too. Nicklerk says, I remember when I used to boil water on the stove. Not sure how I did that for so long. Yeah. Dushi, welcome back. Good to see you again. Hello, hello. Electric kettles are the optimal tea making solution? Yeah, electrical kettles are so good. babi LSP when? Forsen, oh my god, it's been a long time. Good to see you again. I graduated in computer science and got a full-time job as a DevOps engineer. Yo, that's awesome. And just wanted to share with you that I'm hot and smart. All right, Forsen. It's good to see you again. Welcome back. Maroon Fife says Forsen. No, not Forsen. Forsen. It's like a play on foreskin, I think, if I remember correctly. Forsen is one of my thirsty viewers. Wow, your mind? Am I wrong? Am I wrong? I didn't even get bonked for that. Let's go. M2dev.net, hello, hello. Thanks for the help with babi. Yeah, no problem. No problem. Okay, so we got an off by 1 on the thing. Is it really this? Did I make line Line index for no reason? Well, that didn't work. Well, that works now. But this doesn't work. Anonymous has gifted a sub to Bad Foxtrot. Thank you, Anonymous. Appreciate. I mean, you had a free button, but you'll get another one. There you go. You're welcome. Bonk everyone but Anthonk. Hey, Lamau. Get it working with syntax happening on Windows? Syntax happening works fine on Windows. Works fine. As long as you don't sudo pip install or whatever the fuck. Actually, it should work fine. If they're so thirsty, they should get a Juicero or Tivana. Exactly, along with Chris. Also, welcome back. Oh, there's like so many weird off by ones here that I don't really completely understand what's going on. Backspace. If x equals 0, well, it just does calls pop. Maybe I shouldn't have changed that. I feel like we have insert working, right? Insert works fine. We got a new line here, it works. We got a new line here, it works. But deletion works there, does not work there. We got an off by one. It works fine unless you're using Windows? No, it works fine on Windows. I need to do the same we did on Mac? You shouldn't need to. It should work even if you global install it. I think. Oops. Why do I pre-commit globally installed? I don't care. It's Windows, I can fuck up my Windows partition. Pip install babi upgrade. What? Like pip's too old? Yeah, 1903 is super old. So it doesn't understand ABI 3. 3-year-old pip. Do that for you. Yeah, should work. Work fine. Abby has undo. Does Nano have undo? It does, but it's like slightly buggy. Hey, what's up, Spaceberry? Welcome back. Citrus has to head out for now. Thanks for the chill stream as always, and have a good rest of the day. Well, thank you for stopping by, Citrus. It's always good to see you. Citrus also streams. She is a self-proclaimed variety streamer, but I don't like the word variety streamer, because to me variety is like, you know, talent show, variety show. So I like to refer to Citrus as a talent streamer rather than variety. But anyway, right, sarcastic Dante. GNU metal. What does that mean? What? That sounds even better. Yeah, fuck variety streaming, talent streaming. That's where it's at. Okay. What were we even doing? I know we were talking about Tivana, but that's not relevant. Oh, we were trying to figure out why this is off by 1. Right. Right. Hey, what's up, Luons? Hello, hello. So we have a problem in our delete callback. There's 2 places it can be off by 1. One is here. The other is here. I think we need to set this to this and set this to this. Now if we do that, oh, let's go. If we delete this line, fuck. Shit. Okay, well, not quite what we wanted. Maybe we don't change 2 things at once? Yeah, we should have scienced it rather than YOLOing it. Ah, that's not right. Oh, and undoing it doesn't. Oh, undoing it doesn't back. That's kind of annoying. Hmm. Spaceberry says, Python is a great language. I wish it was a bit faster. Just use PyPy. PyPy faster. Always YOLO it. This is make my head spin. This is not what I wanted to do. Let's ignore that for now and we'll fix it later. And let's instead do the bottom panel stuff. Something that'll be interesting. Are you using PyPy? No, I'm using CPython. Shyam Garunov. Definitely said that wrong, but thank you for the follow. Welcome, welcome. And Adent, thank you as well for the follow. Welcome to the stream. Oh, this is gonna suck. So what's it like being a software developer V2? It's so true though. It's so true. Oh man. Oh man, you were so close to getting the smarts working. Why did they not work? Oh, because of this. What's the blue ball in the middle? Oh. There we go. We've improved the smarts. What are you that's staged? Saw your tutorial on YouTube. Glad to find your Twitch channel. Welcome, welcome. Hopefully you're doing well. I'm glad you enjoyed my YouTube content. Insane blue ball fidget joke? Yeah, exactly. Exactly. AI streamer? Yeah, look at this fucking AI we're adding here. Okay, so now if you said the same message as you said before, hey, it works. AI is for people who cannot actually program. I mean, sure, yeah. Bang cherry pick, yeah. If only, right? I don't know if cherry pick this dick works is better though. Works as well. But yeah. But yeah. It just spins and looks nice. I think we'll work on the errors panel next time. I feel like I'm a little spinny. I know, you only had one beer, Anthony. Why are you a little spinny? It was 8%. I have an excuse. Wait, where's the rest of the code? Oh no, did I run the wrong command again? Okay, no, we're good. I thought I just discarded the entire stream's work. I was about to be real sad. Oh. Okay, it still works. God. Costag, thank you for the follow. Welcome, welcome. Oh man, that was almost bad. Okay, anyway. Yeah, that's probably a good place to stop then before I fuck up my code. But yeah, let me do my little spiel and then we'll find a channel to send you off to. My name is Anthony. I upload educational content to YouTube at youtube.com/anthonywritescode, where you can find 3 educational videos a week. Yes, QQ, it does work that way. It does indeed work. If you want to just watch one video, this one's real good. Check this one out. I also upload my stream VODs to my second channel, so if you missed any part of the stream, you can check those out there. Nice, 469. Hey. I normally stream Monday evenings and Saturday at noon. However, this week and next week are weird because I'm taking off work. Deep B, thank you for the follow. Welcome, welcome. Yes, I announce my streams in 2 places. One of those is twitter.com/codewithanthony, and the other is the Discord, which you are free to join and come hang out with us. But basically, I talk about what we're going to work on, and we did actually work on this, which is cool. But yeah, thank you all for stopping by. Let's go find someone to raid.